are a couple of the PVC signs that we have made recently. You'll notice vibrant colors, excellent carving. PVC is one of the best products that we have found to be able to make signs with. There's lots of others out there, but it's the most economical and best carving. Hello everybody. So it occurred to me today that I show you all these signs I make, and I say that I use PVC, but I never really explain why. Well, the reason that we prefer to use PVC over wood is because it doesn't rot, it doesn't crack, it holds up very well to the weather. And when you paint it, like with bare ultra premium paint like we do, which is supposed to last 25 years, the sign lasts for a very, very long time. People tend to be disappointed in wooden signs after a while, because no matter how well you seal them, eventually they'll probably rot or crack or warp. The nice thing about the PVC is that it's the same stuff that they make the drain pipes in your house from. And I bet you haven't had to replace those, have you? So anyway, the main reason that we use it is because it carves so well. It comes in many different thicknesses, and it's easy to create stuff. You can use regular PVC glue to glue it together if you need to make a box or something like that. Now, we usually use 3/4 inch PVC in our signs, but we also can use 1/2 inch. I carve at a depth of 0.14, so we can do it double-sided. And the reason that we use the 3/4 inch is because most people want to hang them, okay? Which means you need to be able to put the metal thread certs into the edge. And if you don't use 3/4, it's not thick enough. 1/2 inch will carve just fine, like if you want to put it up against a wall or against a backing. So if you notice in the beginning of this video, I showed some examples. The sky's the limit when it comes to carving PVC. It literally is one of the best things I've ever used for carving. And you can actually repair if you have any problems with it, like any pits and stuff. You can use CA glue and hardener and sand it in, and nobody will ever notice it if you're painting the sign. The other good thing about it is you don't usually need to use or a mask depending on how many colors you're using. So what you can do is just tape off the edges. That saves a little bit of sanding. You'll simply paint the sign with the carved background, and then take an orbital sander with 220 and sand the surface, which you can see in one of my other videos. And it saves you the cost of having to use any Aura mask or anything like that. Now you can use just about any size CNC machine, even the small, ones that people have in their houses, like the 2x3 or the 4x4 units. But we can do up to 8 feet long, and we do some very large signs. Now, of course, there's other materials out there that work very well for signs as well, like HDU, which is a type of foam that comes in different weights. It depends on what weight you're using on how strong the sign is. A lot of the big signs you see at the entrance to neighborhoods and stuff is usually HDU. But that stuff is super expensive. For a 4x8 sheet of the 15 pound, it's like $999. And then for a 20 pound, which is a little bit stronger, thicker, it is like $1,600 to $1,800. Of course, then you have HDPE, okay? HDPE, high density polyethylene, which is even better than PVC, but it's so expensive. That's what keeps most people from using it. So the HDPE, they also it's called King Color Core. Now, King Color Core is what you usually see like National Park Service signs and stuff like that, where it's brown with yellow. They're not painted, and that lasts forever. It's literally 2 different color materials. The outside layer, very thin layer, like 1/8 of an inch thick, is one color, and then the inside layer is a different color, and then the back is another color as well. So you can always turn it over and use it that way. But that stuff is super expensive. It is, I would say, probably the very best stuff for outdoor signs, but most people are using these type signs on the front of their business, maybe their beach house or their lake house or a cabin, something like that. And PVC is the most economical material to use, and it's so easy to use and paint. That's why we sell so much of these type signs. And if you have any custom ideas, or you have any, even if you've drawn something up in Canva or whatever, you can send it to me, and I can usually make a render from it, okay, and then create a sign. Our website is www.tandtcncdesign.com. You can email me at tandtcnc@yahoo.com. You can call me just about any time at 352-255-7131. We love making custom signs. It's actually a passion of mine. I'm able to make the PVC look like wood because we do a textured background. That's one of our specialties, that and being able to make just about any size sign. So give me a call, email me, check us out through the website. We have an Etsy store as well. Usually you pay more there because of the Etsy fees and stuff, so it's better to contact us direct. But you're welcome to contact us any way you want. See you later. Have a good day.